Yes, Neve. Well, after 1 week of total siege on Shifa Hospital, where there was no food allowed, no water, the hospital was plunging complete power outage, and no medical supplies, already suffering from not having enough medical supplies, and none of the humanitarian aid with medical supplies made it safely to Shifa Hospital. Only a few of those medical supplies. We are seeing a real catastrophe happening, especially with the most vulnerable group inside the hospital, babies in incubators. And as we know, without power, without electricity, and without the oxygen, those incubators are not working, and it would be pointless to keep those babies inside those incubators. So far, we have at least 4 of these babies, premature babies, died as a result of lack of electricity and lack of oxygen inside the incubators, as well as we have also 5 more are in severe condition and could lose their life at any minute right now. In addition to that, we have some 51 patients in intensive care unit have already lost their life, and the reason for that is the oxygen, the pipeline to their breath, it was cut off by the Israeli military when it targeted the station that generates that oxygen to both the ICU and the incubators. Together, the situations are very, very catastrophic at the hospital right now. There are not only the people who are inside the hospital are experiencing this ongoing terror by the Israeli military, but we also learned from the statement made by the director of the hospital. Those who were buried in the hospital were being dug out by the Israeli military, and their bodies were taken away. In addition to some 145 evacuees inside the hospital, including individuals from the medical staff, were also taken to unknown area. The fate of these individuals together is unknown, not to the